Good morning, class. We are back here with the GK class, and today's topic which we are going to discuss is rivers of India. Here in your GK book there is a page and it has to be filled, and the column it contains has the name of the river, the place from where it originates, and the place where it ends. Alright, so here there are the names of 12 rivers, and you have to tell the place from where it originates and where it ends. I am here with the solution of this exercise. Let's discuss and find out which river originates where and ends where. The first one is River Indus. Indus originates from Lake Mansarovar, Tibet, and ends in Arabian Sea. Second, Ganges, या जो हम हिंदी में गंगा बोलते हैं. It originates from Gangotri Glacier, Uttarakhand, and ends at Bay of Bengal. That means River Ganges या River Ganga starts from Gangotri Glacier and flows and ends at Bay of Bengal. The third river is Yamuna, and Yamuna originates from Yamunotri Glacier, Uttarakhand, and it merges with the Ganga where? At Allahabad. You know that here it is Sangam, and Sangam of three different rivers: River Ganga, Yamuna, and Saraswati. Now the next river is Brahmaputra. Brahmaputra originates from Himalayan Glacier in Tibet. Brahmaputra river originates from Himalayan Glacier in Tibet and merges with the Ganga, where it ends and empties in the Bay of Bengal. Like River Ganga empties in Bay of Bengal, similar in the same way Brahmaputra first merges in Ganga and then finally flows to Bay of Bengal. Fifth river, Beas. Beas originates from Rohtak Pass, Himachal Pradesh, and merges with Satluj River in Punjab. Next, Mahi River. Mahi River originates from Western Vindhya Range, Madhya Pradesh, and ends at Gulf of Khambhat, Gujarat. Next river, Mahanadi. Mahanadi originates near Dhamtari district, Chhattisgarh, and it ends at Bay of Bengal. Eighth river is Krishna. It originates from Western Ghats, Maharashtra, and ends at Bay of Bengal. Next river is Tapti. It originates from Gavilgarh Hills in Madhya Pradesh and ends at Arabian Sea. It ends in Arabian Sea. Next river is Narmada. Narmada originates from Maikala Range, Madhya Pradesh, and finally flows into Arabian Sea. 11th river is Godavari. Godavari originates from Western Ghats, Maharashtra, and finally flows into Bay of Bengal. Last river, Kaveri. It originates from Brahmagiri Hill in Karnataka and finally flows into Bay of Bengal. I hope with this you are clear with the rivers and the place from where they originate and where they end, or finally where they flow into. This is all for rivers. We'll meet in the next video with the next lesson. Till then, you have to take care of yourselves. You have to stay home, stay safe, follow all the guidelines given by the government, and keep yourselves updated regarding any information COVID-19. Thank you, class, and have a good day.